When I wrote years ago, it was important to get a copyright before you send it to publishers or agents. Is that still how it is done?
Yeah, so I always have to be careful here because I'm not a lawyer and I'm not giving legal advice. So I'm going to put that disclaimer on. You can certainly register with the US Copyright Office, but the reality is if you just put a copyright number, the fact that you have the document, if you went to a court of law, you could show documents on your computer and stuff like that. It's protected, and no one's a legit publisher is not going to rip you off. If they do that to one person, they're out of business. So now, once you go into the marketplace, having a copyright doesn't hurt, but it's always you own it. So you can go through this step, but I don't think it's necessary to protect yourself.
We get that question a lot too, and it's
Yeah,
yours. So, I mean, people get a
yeah,
little hesitant about sending their manuscript into an editor, and should we sign a non-disclosure agreement? And should we have this? Should we have that? And yeah, of course, we try to make you happy, but in reality, we don't need to do that because it is your intellectual
right,
property,
right.
and you are the creator, and it remains yours.
Yeah,
We can twist it, change it, and do as
yeah,
much as we want for the editing,
yeah.
but ultimately, it's yours, and you're the one who is responsible for the
Yeah.
final
Yeah.
product.
The book that I referenced that we're working on to get out right now, we did 20 drafts of the manuscript, before we sent it to an editor. If
Mhm.
anyone tried to take it, I could go back and show you draft one on my computer. And that
Yeah.
was, I mean, it took years. I mean, because it's not a full-time job. So, I mean, anyone wants to claim that, I'd be like, no, here's draft one from 2000, 18. So we had the idea long before you are saying it was yours. So.
Exactly.